2025 Audi SQ8. Starting at $98,895. Highs. 500 HP V8 instills urgency, properly posh cabin, understated and handsome exterior design. Lows. 8 thirsty cylinders, limited interior storage options, no third row. Verdict. A powerful beast with a sophisticated cabin and a clean, bold exterior design, the SQ8 is nearly as quick as its more expensive Italian cousin. Overview. If your tastes run toward the strong and silent types, the Audi SQ8 is the SUV for you. Not that its 500 HP twin-turbo V8 engine is particularly quiet when called upon. The SQ8 uses a slightly detuned version of the powertrain in the extroverted Lamborghini Urus, but the SQ8 has the whole heavyweight boxer in an Armani suit vibe down to a science. The exterior bodywork is cut tight and orderly but features some subtle sporty touches, including unique grille and air intake surrounds not found on its standard Q8 SUV sibling. The SQ8's chassis is also more athletic, and it can cut and run when called upon without breaking a sweat, even remaining within a few tenths of its Italian counterpart in C/D acceleration testing. But the SQ8 isn't in fight mode 24/7, and the luxury-lined cabin delivers genuine comfort when driven less aggressively. Like its Q8 brother, the SQ8 is strictly a two-row offering, and shoppers who are enamored with the Audi aesthetic but require a third row are advised to check out the slightly more spacious yet less expensive SQ7 SUV. What's new for 2025? The formerly optional LED interior lighting package is now standard across the lineup, as is traffic sign recognition. On the Prestige trim, massaging driver and passenger seats with memory moved from optional to standard. 2 new packages join the roster, the Carbon package, and the Audi Sport package. The Carbon package includes carbon exterior mirror housings, door inlays, and rear light cover, while the Audi Sport package contains red accent stitching for the seats, center console, and door armrests, along with full red seatbelts. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Audi SQ8 starts at $98,895 and goes up to $106,195 depending on the trim and options. Premium Plus. $98,895. Prestige. $106,195. All SQ8 models come with the best performance-enhancing features Audi can throw at them, so no matter which one you choose, you're getting the same driving experience. Still, we'd upgrade to the Prestige trim, which adds a host of driver assistance and luxury features that include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a head-up display, soft close doors, massaging front seats, heated rear seats, and power rear sunshades. Engine, transmission, and performance. A twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 powers the SQ8, and it provides 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission are both standard. The SQ8 provides agile handling and an athletic demeanor, but when switched into comfort mode it exhibits a family-friendly ride quality, making it a true dual-purpose vehicle. 0-60 mph times. At our test track, the SQ8 blasted to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, just 0.4 seconds behind the more powerful but mechanically similar Lamborghini Urus. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. According to the EPA, the SQ8 is good for 15 mpg in the city, 21 mpg on the highway, and 17 mpg combined. However, we can't evaluate its real-world MPG until we run it on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen. For more information about the SQ8's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. As is typical of Audi's S models, the interior gains more standard features and fancier materials than the base vehicle. This includes black accents in the cabin and diamond-stitched seats, as well as carbon fiber trim and contrast stitching. With seating for 5, the spacious back seat and capacious cargo area are useful on road trips. Unfortunately, interior cubby storage is subpar. Infotainment and connectivity. Audi decks out every SQ8 with a dual touchscreen infotainment system and the brand's virtual cockpit reconfigurable gauge display. The almost completely digital cabin will appeal to tech-conscious buyers but not those who value physical controls for things like climate control. A Wi-Fi hotspot and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are standard fare. Safety and driver assistance features. Audi offers a suite of driver assistance features as standard on the SQ8, that includes basics such as automated emergency braking, as well as more advanced adaptive cruise control functions. For more information about the SQ8's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning with automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Audi provides the same limited and powertrain warranties as BMW and Mercedes. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.